Here I have POCO F4, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So let's just, for example, take a photo with this feature enabled. So if you want to disable it, you tap on three stripes, go to settings, and here you can find an option mirror front camera. So just disable it like this, and just, for example, I'm gonna take another photo, and here you can see on this photo we have lightning, the lamp on the left side, and on this one on the right side. So yeah, that's how this feature works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.